let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango silver level choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite direction. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same Tango silver level choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start from Promenade position and we dance back open Promenade, which means man closes Promenade and steps back. We continue with brush tap and then back Corte with open finish, which means last step is forward, outside partner, outside swivel, step tap, and 2 walks. Curve to left, continued by open reverse turn, lady outside, and closed finish. Very good. Now let's look once again at same choreography, but this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we start in Promenade position and move down line of dance. We continue diagonally to corner or diagonally to ball against line of dance with brush tap, then back Corte, diagonally to center, outside swivel, against line of dance, and we finish it diagonally to wall, 2 walks, curve to left, we finish diagonally to center, and dance open reverse turn, down line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.